Here's a simple recipe for caprese skewers. Ingredients: cherry or grape tomatoes, fresh mozzarella cheese, bocconcini or mozzarella pearls work well, fresh basil leaves, balsamic glaze or balsamic reduction, wooden skewers. Instructions: prepare the ingredients, wash the cherry tomatoes and basil leaves. Drain the mozzarella if using mozzarella pearls or bocconcini. Assemble the skewers. Take a wooden skewer and start by threading a cherry tomato onto the skewer, followed by a folded basil leaf, then a piece of fresh mozzarella. Repeat this pattern until the skewer is filled, leaving a little space at the ends for easy handling. Repeat the process until all the ingredients are used or until you've made the desired number of skewers. Arrange the caprese skewers on a serving platter. Drizzle with balsamic glaze. Just before serving, drizzle the assembled skewers with balsamic glaze or balsamic reduction. You can either use store-bought balsamic glaze or make your own reduction by simmering balsamic vinegar on low heat until it thickens slightly. Serve immediately as an appetizer or part of a snack platter. Note: you can adjust the number of tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil leaves on each skewer based on personal preference and the number of servings needed. These caprese skewers are not only visually appealing but also delicious, with the combination of sweet tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, fragrant basil, and the tangy sweetness of the balsamic glaze tying it all together. Enjoy!